TRU's patented reverse condensing fan motor, RCU, which has been the envy of the industry for more than 15 years, is now a standard feature on all TRU models with hydrocarbon refrigerant. RCU technology allows for the reversing of the direction of the condensing fan motor. Upon each compressor startup, the fan motor will reverse direction to help blow off excess dust, dirt, and debris from both the interior and the surface of the condensing coil. A clean condensing coil can help reduce energy consumption by as much as 20%. Reduced compressor runtime leads not only to a longer lifespan for the compressor, but for the fan motor as well. A clean coil also goes a long way in maintaining better product temperature. Other manufacturers have developed self-cleaning devices, claiming no maintenance required. These devices merely clean the surface of the coil, allowing dust, debris, and grease to continue to build up inside the coil. The fact of the matter is, all refrigerators require regular maintenance to the condenser coil. No matter what cleaning device is used, it is important to check and clean your condenser coil regularly. Grease buildup is inevitable in today's commercial kitchens. Once the grease is formed inside the coil, it will continue to collect more debris and additional grease. Dust and debris alone can collect and build up deep inside the coil. A thorough cleaning is the only way to properly restore the coil to its original state and ensure proper function of the unit. While a reversing condenser fan motor does not replace the need for preventative maintenance, it will greatly increase the lifespan of your TRU cooler, as well as helping you maintain the coldest temperatures and the freshest products possible. TRU RCU Technology.